Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to test out this here. I can't pronounce that. I can't read it. It's whatever. I had got this off of Amazon because I wanted to crimp my hair and figured I might as well just try it on here so you guys can see it too. So it wasn't a very expensive hair product. It was probably maybe $20–$30. Again, I'll have the link below in case you want to check out the equipment yourself, but this is what it looks like outside of the box, the device itself, and it comes with this, a glove and plates, because they are removable on this, which is kind of why I wanted it. I wanted to try something different. So it has 3 different crimp sizes. I'll show you that. Like the big ones here. I was thinking I was going to go for the big ones, but I think I might go for a smaller size. And then we have, I think this is the small one. Yeah, this is a small one right here. But today we are going to use the medium one. And I'm just going to do I'm going to do the large one. I don't want to think about this too much. Okay, so we're going to use the large ones here. And apparently the way you work this is these are supposed to come off. Okay, so it does come off, and it has these flat ones too, but we're not doing flat. I have plenty of flat iron stuff, so put that aside. Go ahead and put these large ones in. Large one, and you put the cover right back over it to secure it in place. Alright, so the plates are secured and I have plugged it in, turning the power on, and it has the degrees right there that you can adjust. And so I'm going to set that down, and while that heats up, I am going to divide my hair into sections to make this easier. Okay, so I want to, my hair is divided as good as I'm going to divide it, because, yeah. We're going to go ahead and try this. Okay, so right now I have the bottom part done. It is very 80s. I messed up a little parts, but that's okay because it is the bottom part and I just really want a cohesive look. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and do the back part and I'll be back. So I have the back done, and I have to say this is happening a lot quicker than I anticipated, but I'm actually kind of having fun with this, and I'm actually kind of really liking it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off the front part, and we'll be back to talk about this. So there's my hair, entirely crimped. I have fulfilled my 80s desire for crimped hair. What do I think about this? Well, this thing heats up pretty quickly. If you've got really thin hair, you might want to move it quick. If you hold it down too long, you're probably going to burn your hair off, so you got to move quick. But other than that, I think it worked really well. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm actually really happy with it. We'll probably do this again. Kind of feeling like crimped hair needs to come back because this was fun. Anyways, that is it of this. I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't really have a real review for this. I'm sorry guys. I just really wanted to crimp my hair, so I did. Anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and I hope to see you in my next video.